our episode today. What's in my hand challenge? Gail versus Liza. Ew, what happened in your leg? Number 1.
Dress.
Correct. 1 point for Eliza. Number 2.
Elsa.
Correct.
Correct. 2 points together.
Number 3.
Bag.
Correct. Number 3. 4.
Cheese.
Correct.
Sakit ng
4 points. Number 5.
Sinelas.
No, not chinelas. What's his?
That?
Yeah, what's?
Elsa the Frozen.
What?
What?
Wrong. Number 6.
Umbrella.
Correct.
Hair.
Correct. The last one.
Pop.
Correct.
Okay.
Eliza got 7 points.
Oh.
Number 1. What is it?
Umbrella.
Correct. Number 2.
Lollipop for Peter Pan.
Correct. Number 3.
Cheesy.
Correct. Number 4.
Hair for Peter Pan.
Correct.
Basket.
Correct. What?
It's Elsa.
Correct.
It's dress for Elsa.
Correct. Last one.
Slippers.
Correct. Okay. The winner is Gail Jasmine E. Batiles. Congratulations. Just okay, guys. Eliza. Next time, another challenge. You're gonna win. Congratulations.
Goodbye for my challenge together. It's so cool.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
And this is so fun together.
Don't forget subscribe.
Bye bye.